everyone, today we will overview certain factors that affect the stock prices in the stock market. Here are certain key drivers that impact the stock prices in the stock market. There are various factors that drive the prices of the stocks in the stock market. Ultimately, the price of stock depends upon the demand and supply of that particular stock in the market at that particular point of time. Various factors such as fundamental factors, technical factors. Fundamental factors are dependent upon the profitability of the company, earnings of the company, and technical factors consider momentum, pattern charts, historical charts, behavior of traders and investors. Fundamental factors are the role played in determining the price of the stock in the stock market, and they include earning per share, price to earning ratio. Friends, price to earning ratio is also called valuation multiplier. We'll study further. Earning per share is most important tool to determine the fluctuation of prices of a stock in the market. It is evaluated by dividing net profit of the company by number of outstanding shares of the company, and it is widely used to estimate the value of particular corporate and if you have to go for the investment in that particular share or not. If earning per share is very higher, it means the company has got greater values and otherwise not. Also, it is a most valuable tool when it is compared to the competitors of the same industry across a period of time. Here is the formula for earning per share, that is net income of the company is divided by number of outstanding shares of the company. And friends, to evaluate earning per share of the company, we need the balance sheet of the company and the income statement of the company. To evaluate the number of existing shares of the company, dividend of company has paid to the preference shareholders, and net income or the earning of the company. And friends, the most accurate way to evaluate, to calculate earning per share is use weighted average number of common shares. Note the number of shares that are existing or shown in the market, because number of shares changes over the period of time. I hope till here you are very clear about the earning per share. Friends, earning per share is the most important fundamental tool to determine the profitability of the company on the absolute basis. Next, it is also an important component of price to earning ratio. What is price to earning ratio? Friends, PE ratio is the when market price of the share is divided by the earning per share. Friends, it is also very important because it helps the investor evaluate the stocks in terms of how much the market is willing to pay for earnings each rupee. PE ratio is very important and very effective tool in analyzing the company's value in the particular industry. Friends, the stock that cost more relative to the earning per share when compared to its peer companies, it might be overvalued. That is, when market price of the share is more than the earning per share of the company, that means the stock is overvalued in the market. And vice versa, if its value is less than earning per share of that particular stock in the market, that means that stock is undervalued. Friends, investors are willing to pay. Investor is ready to pay for that particular share if it is expected to grow or outperform its peer companies in the bull market. That means if PE ratio is highest in the stock index, it outperforms to the average of the other stocks in that particular index. Owner of the stock has claim on the earnings. Why? Because earning per share is the return on the investment of the stockholder. When you buy a particular stock, that means you are purchasing proportional shares of entire future stream of the earnings. That is the reason for the valuation multiple, that is PE ratio. It is the price you are willing to pay for the future stream of the earnings of that particular company. And friends, let me tell you one thing very clear. Fundamental factors are very important if you are long-term investor. I hope the things are very clear to you. So see you in the next video for technical factors. Take care. See you. Bye-bye.